How to fix 0x80070425 Credential Manager error on Windows. 1. Update Windows. 2. Run SFC scan as admin. 3. Check HKey_local_machine/system/current control set/services/vault svc /parameters in registry setting. Note: ensure the data of service DLL is C:\Windows/system32 /vaults_vc.dll. 4. Check the Credential Manager service status, make it run manually.